Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is July 15th, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all our price predictions according to the charts the simplistic way. We don't use any indicators that many other charters place on their charts only to cause confusion. The market has already given you indications of which direction the market wants to go, especially in the short term, and you can also predict this in the long term as well with this type of analysis that we do here on this channel. So one of the things I want to show you all is another precise, accurate prediction that we gave our members on our HueFin News Patreon page. And if you are not a member, then definitely you need to become one. And the link is going to be in the description of this video, because we usually try to spend a lot of our time on our HueFin News Patreon page. So all of our members who value this type of analysis can definitely contribute. They are placed in our private Facebook group to where we can share ideas, see other things that a lot of the other YouTubers or those in social media space are not talking about. So if you're not a member of ours on our HueFin News Patreon page, then you definitely need to come on over, because that is where a lot of the benefits, action, and exclusive content will be placed from our perspective. So on the right side of the screen, you all can see that we uploaded our video for our members at 4:21 p.m. July 14th, 2018. And on the left side of the screen is Bitcoin, which is currently showing us a fantastic day in the market. And before I show you what was mentioned in our video yesterday about Bitcoin, I want you all to read what was mentioned in the caption of this video. So we wrote that we were seeing indications that some of these cryptocurrencies are preparing themselves for moving higher, right? So, but since the market overall is in a downtrend, these cryptocurrencies may not move that high. So just giving our members an up that they need to be prepared for that just in case. Okay, so just listen to what was mentioned about Bitcoin in our video yesterday versus what occurred in the market for today. You can see that this currency is up $6,270.30. They're up almost 1%, 0.81. And the daily price bar for Bitcoin definitely shows us some consolidation is forming for this currency. $6,200 is holding quite well as support at this particular time, because for the last 3 days, the market has not closed below it. Definitely tells us that the market participants are trying to keep Bitcoin from falling lower in price. Quick look at the 3-hour bars for Bitcoin. You all can see here that we saw this very weak bar come into this space, right? And obviously you would expect the market to continue to move to the downside, but it was totally opposite of that particular analysis. $6,200, as I just mentioned, has held support well, and the market is still trying to show indications of market strength, but the market continues to get these opportunities to where the price falls and it recovers in price. So definitely we can tell that the market is trying to keep price from moving to the downside. And the 1-hour chart for Bitcoin definitely shows us that strength is trying to be maintained in this particular area. And I'm still seeing indications of market strength. I'm still looking for Bitcoin to move higher in price. Now, it might not move that low, because we have seen these very weak down bars that happens to appear around $6,300 for Bitcoin, and that is a huge area of resistance that we will need to see. This last 1-hour bar definitely shows us that there's still some strength here, so I'm looking for Bitcoin to move higher. $6,300 though is resistance, so if we can break $6,300, then definitely we can move a lot higher than that, possibly even around $6,400 throughout trading tomorrow. But there's still some there you go. We have told you all literally a play-by-play of what to expect in Bitcoin for today. We said that we were still seeing strength in the market for Bitcoin and that we look for them to move higher. First area was $6,300, and you can see here that we finally came on this particular 1-hour bar and came and broke $6,300. And I told you all, if we can break $6,300, that we could come all the way back up to around 64, and the market is doing that right now. It came all the way up to 63.89. So this is a very precise, accurate prediction for Bitcoin, and we did all of this without any indicators. So that's very powerful for anyone to do when they are trying to figure out where prices are likely to go. So before I go, I'm gonna go ahead and give you Bitcoin analysis. So you can see here on the daily price chart for Bitcoin that yes, we are seeing strength, but as I mentioned in the caption of our video, I said that we might not move that high. You guys can see that $6,400 has been an area of resistance for this currency, and that's why I went ahead and I've drawn this resistance line in Bitcoin. You can see all the way back on this particular chart that we was not able to break $6,400, and that's why we're getting some weakness now. Okay, so expect continued movement lower, right? But we cannot break $6,300 again, because if we do, then we're going to continue to move a lot lower than $6,300. So that is going to be the support area that we need to be watchful for in Bitcoin. I can see us actually holding support relatively soon, possibly around 63.40. You know, around that price. If we can maintain that as support, then I'm still looking for us to move higher in price. So we're going through a transitional period right now in Bitcoin. We need to wait and see if this coin is going to be able to break resistance of $6,400. Okay, so the 3-hour chart for Bitcoin, you guys can still see here that we're coming across $6,400, and weakness is very apparent. Okay, so we cannot move higher. Our analysis is going to be dependent on Bitcoin breaking $6,400. If that does not occur, we will continue to consolidate and move lower. $6,400 is going to be resistance. 63.20, 62.80, around $6,300 is going to be support. Okay, if we break $6,300 as support, then definitely we're going to continue to move lower in price. So right now, expect consolidation for Bitcoin. If we cannot break $6,400, we will be moving lower. If we stay above $6,300, then expect movement higher to eventually consolidation to where we're going to try to break $6,400 once again. So that is our analysis for Bitcoin. And I stated earlier, if you guys are not a member of ours, the link is going to be in the description of the video. And it's only $3 a month, 10 cents a day. You all have access to this excellent, precise price predictions for the top 10 cryptocurrencies in this space. There are a lot of other perks that you guys will have once you also sign up. But in the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.